Okay, so in the last video I talked about how to set up Windows Hello. So in this one I wanted to try and test just how tolerant it is to change. So I've already got Windows Hello set up on this machine. If, for example, I just lock it, it's looking for me, then if it sees me, it will actually go ahead and lock me in. So it's saying hello, dismiss the sign in. But what if things changed? Oh, there we go. Maybe that miracle baldness cure actually happens and I suddenly walk into the office with a full head of hair. So I'm going to try and emulate that. So now I have a full head of luscious hair. Not quite. I don't know how many rats died to make this thing. It feels fantastic. So now I'm going to see if it will recognise and log me on with a full head of hair. So I lock it again and I look. Make sure I'm looking centred directly at the camera. And it couldn't recognise me. Let's try that again. It's looking for me. So it's not recognising me with hair. So it's obviously very confused. So if that miracle hair baldness cure comes out, you would need to actually make sure you take another picture so it can recognise you. Let's try and take the wig off. And it logs me in. It's actually got a hairnet, which is interesting because how bad would your natural hair have to be before you would consider wearing this particular wig? Let's try glasses. So I'm going to try and put some sunglasses on now. Okay. So we'll lock it. And that worked. Now in truth what actually happened with the glasses is you can train it to recognise you. So I actually trained it both with and without glasses. So if you go in, for example, into the settings, accounts, and sign-in options, you can improve the recognition. So I did it twice. I did it once with glasses and once without glasses. So now I have that flexibility. And likewise, I could probably train it with hair. So if I donned my fantastic hairpiece again, which I really don't want to keep doing, and I could say improve recognition. So I get started, it actually recognised me that time. So I didn't even have to do anything. So it's obviously it's pushing it. It's enough similarity that sometimes it's working, sometimes it isn't. But if I do OK, it will now improve that recognition. So now it should always make sure whether I have hair or if I don't have hair, I'll be able to log on. So now if I lock it again and look at it, it just works first time. So now I've improved that recognition even when I have my full head of rat hair. And what about if it's a different pair of glasses than the ones I trained it with? So if I lock it and then put on my state-of-the-art nerdy specs and look directly at the camera, it can't recognise me because they're different. Now if I take them off, it just worked. So again, the lesson there is to make sure you improve that recognition. If I change something about my appearance, then I need to retrain it. Now just pushing it to the maximum with no expectation of it working whatsoever, I'm Batman. So we'll try this. And it clearly does not have a clue this time. Now again, I would imagine I could train it. So I've donned my Batman mask. And now, this is getting important. If I'm Bruce Wayne and I'm going to rely on Windows Hello to log me into the Batcave, I'm going to want it to work if I've got my mask on or mask off. Maybe I brought someone to the Batcave who doesn't know I'm Bruce Wayne. So I do my improved recognition and I'll do my get started. There, so I'm going to use a pin so I don't have to take the mask off. Now what's interesting, if you notice, it's not doing it. It's not giving me the option. There's not enough points of uniqueness that it's going to allow me to actually capture it with this face on. So, good thing to know from a security perspective, and that's good for us. I wouldn't want some very generic thing to be able to log anyone on. I did have another extreme case, but I'm 100% positive that's not going to work. And that's my Bane. Now this, I'm sure, has zero chance of working, and surprisingly no. Now I can change the way I sign in, so I can do biometrics, I can do my PIN, Will it let me train with the mask on? No. So once again, take that off. There's not enough features that you can tell is a real face. So it's going to protect me from that. So a little bit of fun, but you kind of get the idea. There's some tolerance to variation in how you look. But if you're going to make major changes to your appearance, if you're going to get that miracle new hairstyle or wear a different type of glasses, just do that improved recognition. It doesn't break the existing recognition of you. It just gives it more detail, more different maybe sets of circumstances for how you may look. Thank you for joining the video.